Around the world exist endangered plants and endangered animals. In this case, I'm going to focus in endangered animals. What are the endangered animals in my country? The importance of save the endangered animals and why we should be protecting them. To start, I'm going to talk about my country, in Dominican Republic. In Dominican Republic exists some species of animals that are endangered, like the American crocodile, the carey turtle, and an Indian manatee. Each one of them have their own function to have a balance in our ecosystem. For me, it's very important too, because sometimes those species we can only find in one place, and if we don't have it, we lose it and we can recover. For me, as I see, to protect the animals that are endangered promote the conservation of the species, and each animal that is in the planet have a function to make the ecosystem in balance. Maybe, as Paul said in the YouTube post, in a little number, those animals aren't very important, but if we increase this number of animals affect too much in the ecosystem. That's why we have to protect them, and that was my opinion of the importance of endangered animals and some of the examples of endangered animals in my country. I recommend to help the people to make awareness, to let them know the importance of these animals on the planet, especially endangered animals. Thank you.